If you are getting bad battery backup from your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, the battery drains too fast and too much charge is used within a short period of time, then in this guide I'll show you some simple steps that you can take to increase the playback time on your Sony XM5 headphones. Before getting into the extensive troubleshooting process, first you can try resetting your headphones to factory default, which you can easily do by turning it off first. Then hold down the power and the noise cancellation button together for about 7 seconds. After that, you'll see the blue LED blinking, which indicates your headphones are now reset. If resetting doesn't fix your battery draining issues, then we will start the troubleshooting process. And for that, you'll need the Sony Headphones Connect app. So open it either from your iPhone or Android device. And then we will begin right away with the adaptive sound control. You can change the sound mode easily by using the button, so just turn it off, and it will preserve a bit of battery as it will not switch back and forth between modes. Then we will go back and go to the Activity tab from the bottom. This has no use in sound quality and it only uses up battery to gather information. So if you don't really need the activity options, just tap on the three dots menu, go to Account and select Sign Out. Tap Sign Out again to confirm. After turning off activity, let's move to the Sound tab. If we expand the ambient sound control, all of you know that using noise cancelling or ambient sound uses up a lot of battery. So if you're already in a quiet room or you don't want to hear the ambient noise, then you can just turn it off and it will conserve a lot of battery. Just use it when you really need it. After that, we have Speak to Chat. This option also uses up battery, so if you don't really need it, and you can just use the focus mode instead, so just disable it if you want a longer battery life. Right below that, we have the equalizer options. If you have equalizer enabled, then this will also cut your battery life short. But whether you want to turn it off or keep it turned on is totally up to you. Then we will go all the way down to Bluetooth connection quality. As you can see, we have selected Prioritize Sound Quality, which enables the LDAC feature. And LDAC codec takes up a lot of battery. So if you can sacrifice a bit of sound quality, then you can switch to Prioritize Stable Connection, which will disable the LDAC codec and conserve battery life. But the drop in the sound quality may be too much, so only disable it if your battery draining issues are very serious. Below that, we have DSEE Extreme. This upscales any low quality audio and it also increases the battery consumption. So if you don't really listen to low quality music, then keep DSEE Extreme turned off. Now we will move to the System tab. The first option is connect to two devices simultaneously or the multi-connect feature. And as you can already guess, this consumes a lot of battery if your headphones are connected to two devices at the same time. So if you don't really need this feature, then turn it off from here and you'll notice a big bump in battery life. Then we have the Voice Assistant feature. Using this feature, you can turn on Voice Assistant right from your headphones. And you can always invoke the Voice Assistant right from your phone. So just select Do Not Use and you'll get a bit of extra battery health. Now scroll down to Automatic Power Off and make sure that Automatic Power Off is turned on and also Pause when headphones are removed is enabled. And lastly, we will go to the Services tab. Then scroll all the way down and disable the Service Link feature as this uses up battery by using your headphones sensors. Now you should get a lot better battery backup from your Sony XM5 headphones. And for those of you who are using your headphones after a long time, then note that it will take a few charging cycles for your Sony headphones battery to reach maximum efficiency. And then you should get a better battery health. Last but not least, if your device has a headphone jack or 3.5mm audio port, then you can use the aux cable to connect your headphones without using Bluetooth, which means longer battery backup. And that's all. In case you're still getting absurdly bad battery backup from your Sony XM5s, then the battery is probably damaged and you can get in touch with a nearby service center or contact Sony support. Let us know if this helped. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.